It's how to pair your phone to the Fiat 500 voice control Blue&Me. So starting on the phone end, swipe down from the top. This is the same for Apple and Android. And we're going to hold down the Bluetooth button there, which is the Nordic rune looking one. So we'll hold it down, and that's going to open our Bluetooth devices. And then on the car end, the Windows button here, we're just going to click it. Settings.
Settings. The commands available are user data, pairing or cancel.
Pairing.
User pairing in progress.
Make sure your phone is searching for a device. So in my case, it's
The
at the bottom.
PIN code is 9209.
There's the
To pair
Blue&Me.
up, look for the Blue&Me with your device and insert the PIN code displayed.
So it's read out a PIN code to us, but it's also on the dashboard here. So there's our dashboard code. So click pair.
Connecting.
And it says on my phone we're connected.
Welcome.
There we are.
To use the phone book, it is necessary to copy the contacts on the vehicle. Continue.
No.
The phone book will not be copied. To copy, go to the settings menu and select User Data.
And that's it. You're connected.